Sweet Gal's Hairdos, and I'm gonna need a poo.
Toodles.
And me, Ratchet Hairstyle. Hey guys, it's me, Sweet Gal's Hairdos.
And me, Ratchet Hairstyle.
And today is our 7th month anniversary.
Woo! Fake applause. Woo! So we figured we'd do a skit on how Ratchet Sweeties came to be. So we're throwing it back, girl.
Yeah.
So this will be an improv skit. So
yeah, and we're gonna show you guys the way our channel came to be, the one and only Ratchet Sweeties. Yeah.
So let's get started. I will be playing the role of Ratchet Hairstyle.
And I will be playing the role of Sweet Gal's Hairdos.
So let's get started.
I'm so bored. I don't know what to do. I know what to do. It's to make a hairdo.
I am bored. I know. I should make a DIY about a wand.
Hey Ratchet, what you be thinking about?
I think we should start a YouTube channel.
A YouTube channel?
Yeah, we can post different videos on it and like DIYs, hairstyles.
Oh my gosh, that's a great idea! But what should we name it?
Well, my name is Ratchet Hairstyles and your Sweet Gal's Hairdo.
I got an idea for the name for it. I think it should be called Ratchet Sweeties.
Yes! We should have a dance break. Totally.
Let's do it.
But what should we do for our first video?
I don't know, girl.
I know. We should do an intro.
Yes.
Now, let's do this.
Hey guys, it's me, Sweet Gal's Hairdos.
And me, Ratchet Hairstyles. And thank you guys for watching us for 7 months.
And remember to subscribe, like, and comment.
And share.